When Mama's away, Daddy does demo. We are about to tear down this wall. Do my best to peel off the shiplap and reuse it in another part of the house, in the laundry room. And then we'll just, once we've got our, I'm going to cut a door here for the staircase. And right here there's going to be a built-in cabinet. Once we got that done, we'll just drywall the rest of it. Sometimes if it's really dry or brittle, it'll splinter when it comes off, or it'll crack. That's no bueno. So what I'm going to do is, after I pull all the drywall off, I'm actually going to mist it down with some water just to get some moisture in that wood that hasn't really, hasn't been exposed to open air for probably 30 years or so at least. Alright, well that got out of hand quickly. That took all of about less than 10 minutes, which is awesome. So now the tedious part is there's a bunch of drywall screws. Found a little bit of remnant of old wallpaper that was underneath the drywall. From the nest that was a light and town fire. That first row was tough, but I think it'll be easier. Whew, after that, we'll see. I finally got a whole one. Basically, you just got to inch it across, make the nail head pop out a little bit, pull all the nails, and that's the only way to get it out whole. This is about to be a really nice piece. I got to get it on video. That's what I've been doing. I pry it out a little bit, bang it back in. The nail head sticks up and I pull the nails. Boom. The very end, you can't really get the nails anyway, so I just kind of pry them out. If I lose an inch on the end of the board, it's worth it. That is beautiful. Look at this beautiful pile of shiplap. What? Still got more to go. Almost halfway. Connor. Whew, all right. We got a lot of shiplap, and I only split one board, which is awesome. So we're going to reuse all this. I'm going to cut it down to size and oil it. I cleaned it up first and then oil it with Danish oil. And then I'm going to use it in the laundry room behind the washer and dryer. This is the wall that it was on. Right here is where I need to cut a door for what's going to be eventually a stairway going up into the attic. And while I'm in here, I'm probably going to redo some of this electrical too. Okay, just finished putting up insulation on this wall, and I think I'll wait till morning to start putting on the shiplap. We're getting along. Cutting all these out. I have a nice big piece of wood. Was kind of nerve-wracking, but lined up good.